Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell course on Skillshare. So selling courses on Skillshare is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn money. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to help you get started. So sign up as a teacher on the platform. So if you don't already have an account, sign up to the Skillshare website and create an account or log into your account. Then after that, plan and create your account or your course content. Skillshare courses typically include video lesson, class projects, and additional resources. Make sure your content is engaging and well structured. Then once your course is ready, upload it to Skillshare. You can use the platform's tools to organize your lesson and add complementary materials, and also create a compelling teacher's profile that highlights your expertise and experience. This helps attract students to your courses, and also share your course on social media or your website and other platforms to reach a wider audience. So Skillshare also promotes courses to its community of learners, and also interact with your students by responding to their questions and feedback. This helps you build a community around your course and encourage positive review. And also, Skillshare pay teachers based on the numbers of minutes watched by premium members. The more engaging and popular your course, the more you can earn. And that's a simple way to sell course on Skillshare. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.